Welcome to today's School Forum. Our topic is, should school uniforms be mandatory? School uniforms have always been a part of many schools. Some believe they promote equality, discipline, and school pride. Others believe they limit self-expression and can be expensive for parents. Today, we will hear different perspectives from students, teachers, the school government, and parents. After the discussion, we can decide which side has the stronger argument. The speakers will be given 20 seconds each to deliver their argument. Let's begin with our first speaker.
Good day, everyone. I support school uniforms because they promote equality among students. When everyone wears the same clothes, students are less likely to compare expensive or branded clothing. This reduces bullying and discrimination based on appearance. Uniform also helps students focus on learning instead of fashion. Every morning, students don't have to worry about what to wear, saving time and reducing stress. Lastly, uniform represent our school. They create a sense of pride, unity, and belonging. We all become part of the community, regardless of our backgrounds. Thank you.
Good day. Although uniform have benefits, I believe they should not be mandatory. Students have different personalities, belief, and style. Clothing is one way people express themselves. Wearing the same uniform every day limits creativity and individuality. Another issue is cost. Some families struggle to buy school uniform, especially when schools require several steps. Casual clothes that students already own may be more practical instead of forcing uniform. Schools should simply require students to dress neatly and appropriately.
Today, as a teacher, I support school uniforms because they help create a disciplined learning environment. When students wear uniforms, classrooms become more focused. Students are reminded that school is a place for learning, not for fashion and competition. Uniforms also make it easier to identify students during school activities and emergencies, improving safety and security. Most importantly, uniform encourage respect for school rules, preparing students for workplace where dress codes are common. Thank you.
Good day. While discipline is important, I don't believe uniforms alone can create disciplined students. Good behaviors come from values, guidance, respect, and discipline. Uniforms may also make students uncomfortable, especially in hot weathers, physical activities. Some students perform better when they are comfortable. School can teach discipline while still allow students responsible freedom in choosing appropriate clothing. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. The school government understood both sides. Uniforms strengthen the school identity and help visitors easily recognize students. They also reduce peer pressure related to expensive clothing. However, we also recognize that some families face financial challenge. Because of this, the school government support programs such as affordable donation and flexibility during special events. Our goal is to balance discipline with composition. Thank you.
Good day. As a parent, I look this issue from a family perspective. Uniform can really save money in the long run because parents don't have money to buy different clothes for school. However, replacing damaged or outgrown uniform can also become expensive, especially for families with several children. What matters most is that school consider both the educational benefits and financial situation of parents before making policies.
Thank you to all of our speakers. Now let us have a short discussion. Question for the anti-uniform student. If uniforms are removed, how can schools prevent students from wearing inappropriate clothing?
School can create a clear dress code. Students can wear clothes that are neat, respectful, and appropriate without wearing identical uniform.
Question for the pro-uniform student. How do uniforms help students academically?
interference with those distractions, minimize competition over clothing, and allow students to focus more on learning.
I agree that focus is important, but respect and discipline should come from education and good performing, rather than uniforms.
That's true, but uniforms reinforce discipline by creating a professional learning environment.
Both points are valid. Schools should also remember that not every family has same financial situation.
Thank you to all of our speakers. After hearing everyone, the stronger case is for school uniforms with conditions. Uniforms do more than just look neat. They level the playing field so students aren't judged by what they wear. They cut down distractions and they make the school safer and easier to identify during activities that matters more than just minor discomfort or self-expression, which can still happen outside of school hours and extracurricular hours. But we also heard that the cost issue is real. So the rule should be, uniforms are mandatory, but the school must provide affordable options, second-hand donations, and flexibility for families in need. That way, we keep the discipline and unity and make sure no student is left behind. Thank you, everyone.